latest numbers that have been announced by the Health Ministry on COVID. And India has reported 45,892 new cases of coronavirus in the last 24 hours. India's active caseload is currently at 4,60,704. 817 deaths have taken place in the same period. Yesterday they were over 900. Today a bit lower at 817. Though still a big concern. Active cases currently constitutes 1.5% of the total cases. The recovery rate has increased to 97.18%. Well, let's go across to Sukirti now for more. And Sukirti, while the trend is downwards, if we take a look at today's numbers and yesterday's, there's been a 5%, nearly 5% increase in the number of cases.
Well, yes, there is a slight increase in cases and that is because there are certain states that are reporting concerning figures at this point of time, especially even the northeast regions. That was something that was pointed out by the Union Health Ministry recently, and the Health Secretary has also written to several states in the northeast to control their COVID cases at this point of time. Several districts also reporting over 10% of positivity rate. So all of that is being monitored by the Union Health Ministry at this point of time. And in addition to that, we would want to point out that even the vaccination numbers at this point of time back to the usual 30 lakh figures on a daily basis, around that mark. So that is again something that needs to be addressed. Tamil Nadu, for example, has run out of vaccines. Delhi is about to run out of vaccines. Mr. Manish Sisodia has been pointing out that they are still waiting for the fresh stock to arrive. So at this point of time, dual challenges before the Union Health Ministry. One, controlling the number of COVID cases, as well as the challenge to increase the vaccination numbers to the kind of records that was set recently to around the 90 lakh mark.
All right, Sukirti, thanks so much for joining us there with the latest numbers.